Got a little update for the Tecumseh engine I'm working on. I've got it put back together and painted it over the weekend, cleaned it up, painted it. It's got 3 coats of gloss black, 3 coats of clear on it, real nice and shiny, nice and smooth. Yeah, I got a few little runs here and there, but nothing too bad. I've got the internals put back together. As you can see, everything spins nice and smooth. I gotta pull this side cover off again and put the gasket in before I put it together for the last time, but got it together, made sure everything was gonna work. Everything's good, got it painted up, looking nice. And that's the block. Decided to paint it black. Don't know what I'm gonna paint the rest of it though. It was that orange red, I'd assume red back in the day. And so I don't know, I'm still trying to find a color. I just wanted the block to be black. Started work on the gas tank, stripping the paint off. Haven't really worked on anything else. I got the air cleaner, the air filter housing cleaned up down to bare metal, and doesn't really have any dents in it, so I'm not going to do anything to it. I'm just going to paint it. Wouldn't mind it. I don't know. I like that in chrome. I think that'd look nice in chrome sitting off the side of the engine, but we'll see. As for the carburetor, it's still in together. I've got the throttle shaft loosened up now, finally. It was seized up, so I got soaked it in PB Blaster for a couple weeks and got it loosened up. I can't find a rebuild kit for this little thing. But if I do, I might try to rebuild it, but I can find another carburetor that'll work for this and probably give a little more power for about 30 bucks, so I'm probably going to go that route. A new carburetor for 30 bucks, I probably can't get a rebuild kit for that one for that price. But that's where I'm at right now. Block's painted and cleaned up. Gotta wait for the gasket set to get here and finish scraping all the paint and the rust and grime off of this other stuff and get them painted up.